Hi, and welcome back to Twirl Craft Studio. I am so excited to have you here. Today, I thought we were going to do this air plant holder again. I am obsessed with air plant holders, but this time we're going to use self-drying clay and napkins. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in. We're starting with some good old self-drying clay. Honestly, this stuff feels like Play-Doh for grown-ups. It took me a few tries to get a long shape that was the same height. I thought this step would be a breeze, boy was I wrong. Once I finally got it, I started by putting the hole for the plant, then bending it around the glass was a piece of cake. We're shaping it into this soft teardrop. Or if your shape turns out a little lopsided, let's just call it organic modern design, okay? Nobody needs to know. Next up, I am removing the glass and adding the holes for the string. Not sure why I didn't film this. After the clay has dried for a couple of days, I decided to take some very fine grade sandpaper to smooth out any imperfections. Now I'm dressing it up with decoupage. This leafy, ocean-toned pattern makes me feel like I'm at a tropical resort, minus the sunburn and overpriced cocktails. What pattern would you choose? Florals, abstracts, or maybe tiny tacos? Drop your wildest idea in the comments. Pro tip: the more abstract or busy the pattern, the less it will show any imperfections. Now here's where my plan took a detour. Originally, this was supposed to be clay and wood, simple and minimal, but then I saw my copper wire stash and thought, ooh, shiny, and suddenly I'm making spirals like I'm auditioning for Jewelry 101. Honestly, though, it gives the whole piece this artsy pop. Tell me I'm not the only one who starts a project with one idea and ends up somewhere completely different. Happens to me every single time. To be able to hang the holder and to add some boho accents, we're adding macrame cord. Nothing fancy, just some simple knots to secure everything and give it that handmade boho vibe. Knots are basically crafting hugs, firm but cozy. And now, the star of the show, our little air plant. These guys are like the introverts of the plant world. Low maintenance, no soil required, and just a quick misting to keep them happy. Slide it into its cozy little spot, and boom, you've got living art. And there it is, our clay, copper, decoupage, and macrame air plant holder. A mashup of textures, colors, and just enough whimsy to make people say, wait, you actually made that? Until next time, keep creating, keep twirling, and remember, crafting is just problem solving with prettier supplies.